you have any sign up page or an affiliate program or anywhere that you need people to sign up on your store or website, then pay close attention to the next couple of minutes because I'm going to show you how you can optimize your above the fold of a sign up page. So this is episode number 78 of CRO Insights, an insider's over the shoulder view of my CRO and landing page agency ConversionWise. I'm Oliver Kenyon, I'm CEO and co-founder, and I can't wait to jump into this transformation. Before we get started, if you're enjoying this series, make sure you comment in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, but let's get into that before and after design. Here you'll see the before design, here you'll see the after. I'm going to run you through the 5 to 6 optimization points. So point number 1, very simply, we just re-optimized and organized the navigation to pull everything else a bit further up the fold. Point number 2, we used a far more direct response headline. With something like an affiliate program where we're actually paying people to sell our services, just tell them, explain exactly what they're going to get in for return, and mention the benefit and the outcome of signing up to the program, i.e. the monetary earnings or that percentage, in this case 10%. Point number 3, we just slightly changed that image. Before it was just far too big. Yeah, it looks nice, but it's way more important to get these other elements above the fold. 4, again, we moved that call to action further above the fold. It's full width, it's a color that stands out, and it gives them the next step on that button. It explains exactly what happens. Join the program with a directional cue. Underneath, we've then put the text link, already a member, log in now. It's a bit more clear and it just cleans that section up. And number 6, due to our kind of aesthetic transformation above the fold, we've now got this section in that explains exactly how the program works. Typically with affiliate programs, and I've been in the affiliate space for 20 years, it's quite hard to explain to someone who doesn't know how affiliate marketing works, how it works. So we find it really important on these pages to have that transformation section that appears above the fold so people can easily scroll, see how the affiliate program works, and therefore they're more likely to join your program. That's it. If you agree with the changes, comment below, smash that subscribe button, and get in touch with us at ConversionWise.com to design you a higher converting page. Cheers. I'll see you on the next one.